Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talani and this video is going to be all about things that I have been loving for my newborn so far. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so right now. Click that subscribe button and let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So as y'all probably know by now, or maybe you don't know, maybe you don't follow my channel, this is my second baby. I have a 2-year-old and I just had newborn. She's gonna be 2 months in about a week. So these are all the items that I have been loving so far with her. A lot of these items are repeat items that I use for my firstborn, and then some of them are new. It's interesting to see like how many new things come out, like between in just 2 years of like having kids. But anyways, let me jump right into it. I have a list right here that I will be looking at just so I don't forget anything. But to start off with, my favorite wipes. I have tried so many different wipes, and my favorite wipes till today is these water wipes. I used them on my firstborn. I still use them on her because we haven't started potty training her. She just turned 2 last month, but we use this on both of them. It's the water wipes, and I just love it because it's very simple. It's just 100%, well not 100%, 99.9% water, and then like a drop of fruit extract. So if your baby has sensitive skin or sensitivity issues, this is great for that. And it stays wet. Like one of the issues that I have with other wipes is like they kind of dry out, but this one stays wet and it's not rough. Like some of the other wipes that I've tried, they're kind of rough on the skin, but this one stays wet and it's super soft. Okay. Uh-oh. I think baby girl wants to eat. Or she's taking a dump. I think she's taking a dump. Okay, so the next item I have right here, this is for Cradle cap. So for Cradle cap for my firstborn, I honestly didn't really do too much for her because hers wasn't that bad. But with Teles, which is my secondborn, hers is a little bit more, hers is just a little bit more. So she has it not only on her head, on her scalp, she has it on her eyebrows and like on her, like kind of around her nose and like a little bit on her forehead, which I didn't even know you could get Cradle cap, like not just on your scalp. So what has been amazing for that is this Burt's Bees Baby multi-purpose healing ointment. This is what it looks like. I'll try and show you a close-up of some of these products, but this is what it looks like. I just put a little bit of it. And then also I got this, I think this is by Fridababy, I'm not sure, but it's like a 3-step, yeah, it's Frida. 3-step Cradle cap setup, I guess. So it has like a little comb where you can use kind of comb out all the flakes, and then it has this to kind of exfoliate the scalp, and it's pretty soft, so you can do it. You can use it really lightly on the skin as well, and then of course it has a sponge to kind of buff everything out. So really been loving this, as well as the multi-purpose healing ointment for her Cradle cap. And then to go along with like that time, this Burt's Bees, this is also from Burt's Bees. It's their baby shampoo and wash, and it's just the original one, and I just really like it. I like the smell, and it does really well on her skin. I also use Mustela. I use the Mustela shampoo and baby wash too, but I also really like their lotion. So I use this for Lori as well, who's my firstborn, and I just really like it because it's gentle. It doesn't like have a crazy fragrance or anything, and it doesn't she doesn't have any reaction to this as well. So Mustela products as well as Burt's Bees products, really love for like bath time, wash time situations. So next thing I have over here is this. This is something that I did not use for Lori, and I didn't know it existed. I don't even know if this company existed when I had her, but it's the Baby Brew bottle warmer, and it's portable, so you can literally take it anywhere with you. You just have to charge it. And then this is like the adapter for the bottles that I use, which I really love the Dr. Brown's bottle. I used it for Lori, and I'm also using it for her. And yeah, this is just the adapter for it. You put it in here. So you have your bottle, with whether it's breast milk, formula, whatever, and then you just put this on top, and then you screw it, and then you turn it upside down, and then it warms your bottle for you. Let me show you how it works. So on the bottom is the power button, and then you'll see, I don't know if you can see it on here, but you'll see what temperature it's at. It has like a number right here that shows you what temperature it's at, and you can set it to different ones. So for breast milk, I do like 98. Let me just do it real quick. Yeah, you press it like 3 times and you get to the 98, and it'll set it to 98 and start heating this till heating your bottle until it gets to 98. So anyways, I thought this was really cool, especially if you're on the go a lot. This is great. You just literally pack it in your diaper bag and you're good to go. So that's that. The next item that I have on here is this pillow that I got from Amazon. I'll show you a picture of it right here. But basically, it just helps keep them upright. So if your baby has like a lot of like spit up or like reflux, it's really good. Every time she feeds, I like to put her on there just so like she's not, you know, laying flat after she just ate. It just makes me feel more comfortable, I guess, that she's not gonna like choke up on her like on her spit up or whatever. So I love that. The other thing I really like that she uses almost every day is the 4Moms Baby Lounger. I'll show you a picture of it right here. I just put this on. I just put her on this when I want her to kind of like settle down before maybe taking a nap, and then I don't let her sleep on it. At least I really try not to let her sleep on it because I know it's dangerous. So whenever she falls asleep, I take her out and I put her in her pack and play. And I'm using the same pack and play that I used for Lore. I'll show you a picture of it right here. Super convenient. It has a part where you can change the diapers. Let me go get her. So like I said, it has a part where you can change the diapers, and then a part where when they're still little, I'll say like 0 to like 6 months maybe, depending on how big your baby is, they can lay on the other side. And then when they get a lot bigger, you can take both out and then just have them either sleep or play on the bottom part, which is a lot bigger. So I've been loving that. And the next thing I have here is, oh, sterilizer. I've just been using the same sterilizer that I use for Lore, and I think it's from Papablic. I'm not sure, but again, I'll have the image right here so you can look at it. It's just a really standard sterilizer, bottle sterilizer. I use it to sterilize my pump parts, and I like it just because it's pretty big and it can fit a lot of stuff, and then you can put all of the little like pacifiers and little pump parts on the top. So that everything is kind of organized for you. I already mentioned I love Dr. Brown's bottle. I was using it for Lore, and I'm still using it again this time around. So definitely love that. What else? Oh, this nested bean. So for sleep time, I've been loving this. This is the nested bean Swaddle, and it has like a little like weighted thing that's supposed to help them like sleep better. But I noticed when I started using this, she did sleep a little bit longer. And just in general, when she is in Swaddle, she does sleep a little bit longer. But I just like this because it's just easy to do and it doesn't come out. Like usually when you just swaddle your baby, you know, after a while, like when they move around, it kind of gets loose. But this kind of keeps everything together. It has like the thing in the inside where you can, you know, strap them in. You can have their arms down and strap them in, or have their arms like on the side so they can kind of like self-soothe if that's what your baby likes to do. She likes her hands on her side, so I usually have her hands like kind of sticking out in here. And then it's also flexible where you can take this out. So if you don't want them to be swaddled, they can have their arms completely out as well. So been loving this. I think this one is getting a little bit small for her, even though it's 0 to 3 months, because she's a tall baby. So I might have to get a size up, but yeah, we'll see. The next thing I really like, and I use this religiously for Lore, and I am using it again for Tele, is the Dreft. Oh, this is actually stage 2. So I use this for Lore. Obviously, this is stage 2, but they do have the newborn one as well. But yeah, I use this for Lore for as long as I possibly could until it didn't make sense anymore. But now I'm using it for Tele, and I love the smell of it. It's very gentle. It doesn't have any reaction. She doesn't have any reaction when she uses it, and again, it just smells amazing. Sometimes I even wash my my robes that I use at night in it just because it smells so good. But anyways, that's that. I think that is basically it. I feel like I've covered everything. So these are just items that I've been using that I feel like are worth it. There's some items that I bought over time that I realized was a waste of money. For example, I think breastfeeding pillows are not like as needed depending on your body type. I feel like if your boobs are big enough, you really don't need breast pillows, and I feel like my boobs are huge, especially now. So like I don't need breastfeeding pillows because I can literally just carry her like this and boom, it's already there, you know. But it does like help with extra support. I just find that it's kind of like an extra thing that I have to think about when I'm getting ready to breastfeed. Like, oh, where's my pillow? I have to go find it, you know, put it down or whatnot. But either way, a regular pillow by my side kind of helps support just a little bit as well. If you have small boobs, though, I can see how you would really need like something pretty high up to help support your arm so you're not like straining your arm. But yeah, what other thing? Oh, the warmers that people use for wipes, I feel like that's also very necessary because nobody has time to be warming up wipes. What I typically do to like warm up the wipes a little bit. I don't do this anymore because I feel like she's gotten used to the wipes. Originally like the first week or two, I would just put the wipes after making sure obviously that my hands are very clean. I would just bunch up the wipes in my hand to kind of warm it up a little bit and then wipe. I find that that helps a little bit. What else? Yeah, that's basically all the baby stuff that I've been loving. If you have any recommendations that you have really liked, make sure you share it below for other moms that might be curious. I know a lot of moms, especially first-time moms, have no idea what to put in their registry because it's kind of tough to know what to need when you've never had the experience. So I hope this video helps. I also linked down below a blog post that I did on things that you can put on your registry if you're looking for some extra stuff. I think some of the stuff might be on there. But yeah, check that out as well. Again, if you have any recommendations, make sure you put them down below. If you've tried any of the things that I have talked about, let me know how you feel about them, or let me know your experience with them. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all the love and support that y'all have been giving me recently. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so right now, and I'll catch y'all on my next video. Bye.